poverty in the last 10 years. The FKJGP has vowed to continue the drive for checking labour licence and trading licence. Speaking to media persons, FKJGP President Dundee Kongsit said that when government sits idle, they are forced to take up such matters. Further, he said that such drives would continue from time to time till there is a mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state.
The step that has been taken by the organisation for conducting the checking of the labour permit and the trading license, it is due to the negligence of the government itself. When the government set idles, it compels us as a responsible leader or as a responsible NGOs to take up this matter into the ground. So it is no longer a surprise for us when our members has been issued by a summon or notice from the police department. This is, what I said, is no longer a surprise for us, but actually from our side, we have made a commitment. As long as we do not have a very effective mechanism to tackle influx, we are going to address or deal with this issue from time to time by conducting our raid in labour license and in the trading license.